tell the Jamaican government say the Cockpit Country can't mine, but it belongs to a certain set of people. You are read it. Every year, we used to see it. We went after road. The after road, that's like we treaty. Every year, 3 kids. After road. See? You see? I have to do everything there. And we now eat it. We now sell it. Because everybody is
on behalf of the people for such a time as this. So I really want to encourage you. I am here praying for
everybody across Jamaica and the world would know about Muta, and he's also absolutely no stranger to radio. He's a veteran in radio as well. Good morning, Muta.
There shouldn't be any mining in Cockpit Country. Cockpit Country is a way of life. Disturbing our water supply, disturbing the ecosystem of the Cockpit Country is not in the best interest of the people, or long term not in the best interest of Jamaica.
This is our land. Our ancestors fight for this land. Living, and even when the body passed and gone, the spirit still live on. Our names supposed to be days of the week from Africa. So we are African, but we will be there. We will be there waiting and prepared to fight bush and ambush war. We the Maroons to the Governor General, not even the Prime Minister. The Prime Minister is too low for us to talk to.
Can we use this time to gathering up yourself? The route that we're going to take, and driving route, it is a walking route.
We are saying we will not allow Jamaica to be reduced to a dust bowl.
Yes.
We will not allow Jamaica to be robbed anymore of our arable farmlands.
Greetings, everyone. Yeah, I want to express appreciation, Rastaman say appreciate love, the fact that each and every one who mark present today, we know that you're a part of that crew who Bob Marley spoke about. Now we know who are the real revolutionaries. And it is obvious that you are. This is the beginning of a revolution. The revolution this time will not be only seen on television, but as you see all these cameras, later it will be all over the internet and the world will see it. And it is starting right now. I want to thank Jet, all of the Cockpit warriors, all of the Maroon people them, all of the artists them. I say Muta Baruka in the house, I say Iwayne, I say Makian, I want to give thanks. Jamaica is ours. We can't afford to let our backyard, hold on first, our backyard just go down like that and we don't say anything or do anything. The last time we learned about democracy, that is it. You supposed to participate in whatever decision and whatever go on in your country. You see me now? When you see a long time me I sing, what a nice place to live. Yeah. Over 30 years me I sing. Me also sing one next song where say me no bow, me no give. Ras then and Ras now. So it's not a fake thing. And whosoever ever tried to manifest what we tried to do as a fake, them are the fake. So may I say, let us protect Jamaica with all our hearts, all our energies, every fiber, every molecule in our goodie. Remember, you know, Marcus Garvey alone conquered the world without internet, without cell phone, without all of the gadgets them where we have, all of the sacrifice where our ancestors them make. It's an easy sacrifice this we are making. I don't want to see nobody a ball about the sun and thirst and them thing there. We can make the sacrifice for the future generation. Me have picnic, you know, and them are going to have picnic, and them picnic they are going to have picnic. The reason why I'm here is not so much for I and I. It's for that future generation. Because I'm showing Marcus Garvey them did I do them thing, them did I do it for we. And if them did do it for we can do it for the next generation too. So like how I see all of the cameras them and everything, let me just say, Honorable Prime Minister, we honor you and we respect you, sir. You are one of our brother. Hear me now? Make the alternative. That's something that no look like it's going to work. I mean, we get some, let me say it, man. We get some stats where it says Costa Rica make $1.7 billion each year because of ecotourism. Make we try that now, sir? Make we try that down there. The world will not be fighting for gold and silver and all these things. In the future, they will be fighting for water. Because water is life. And if the cockpit delivers 40% of the water that serves this country, that is almost half. We can't take that for granted. I mean, them something they like your hydrology report and your morphologist report and all of the report them you have, sir. I mean, just listen to what the people them say. Them talk about the stakeholders boundary. Revisit that something now, please. Andrew, you may talk to you, I'm a virgin. Make it up. Because these people are not going to stop.
We are not going to stop.
Okay.
Ready?
You say it then. We are not going to.
We are not going to stop.
We are not going to stop.
Never.
Look here, kind of serious, you know. Because he's an artist, you know. So you know, say when I come forward and talk like this, you might not see me part of our stage show. But me not really care.
Right.
You know what I mean? Because I think this is a duty. Every one of us must make a concerted effort to make this place be better. And it's not just the Maroon, the whole Jamaica cockpit. Me come from Manchester and from your youth, some avocado when me used to pick, big like my head. Them avocado tree they not even beer again. Because Alpart mine out the whole of the place in Manchester. Let me tell you something, it's beer holes and them things that down there. Oh, so true me not come from Trelawny, you think me don't know what going on. I come from Manchester and see the whole of that take place. My father tell me say, him happy, say Alpart shut down. And it's okay for a man to think about him 4 and 5 or 5 and 4 and whatever you want to call it, you know. It is okay to talk about sustainable development, but that must not sacrifice thousands of people livelihood who have to plant them cassava and them yam and them whatever in order to make a living. We must not destroy this country for just 30 years with how many millions you're going to get when we have 30 million more years in the future. We have to look forward in the future. So here we know, powers that be, watch out for your legacy. Don't let this people call you curse. Please be the blessed one. I'm going to tell you something. It's not a war thing when it comes to guns and ammunition and all these things. But it will be war mentally and spiritually in order to get what we want. And I give thanks. See? And we say, make we do it in oneness. Walk down to the parliament. Make we deliver what we have to deliver. Whatever else have to take place, make it take place. But make we do it in order. Because we have to show them, say, we have those qualities too. And when we talk about revolution, them would love to see say somebody a pop off some gun and somebody a cut with them knife and them thing there. But it's a different thing. We really need change. We need the change, and this change what we need, we are gonna get it only one way. I hear somebody spoke earlier, but we have to make sure say we change up the constitution and we change up whatever we have to change up. Whatever have to change. And here what now? We notice we say the politician them in the house too, and enough respect. Whenever the time come and you have to do what you have to do it. Because you see me now, I'm there, sir, on behalf of who? The people. I'm there on behalf of Jamaica. Nobody label me. My name Tony Rebel. You know the last name where it say? Rebel. Me rebel against things that are wrong in this country. Me think say mining in the cockpit is wrong and it will stop. We say no mining! Respect. And we are going to walk to the parliament.